Smartphones. They don't seem to be getting smarter, but glitchier, shorter lived, higher priced, and out of touch. We are different. We build phones that start with a pure Android experience, with assistants that become more personal as they learn, help batteries to manage themselves, and deliver the most up-to-date updates that don't slow you down, but improve your phone. We do this not just on our flagship products, but across every single Nokia smartphone. Only Nokia phones can promise this, because what we build and every decision we make is born from a simple optimism that innovation must move people forward, that connectivity has to empower everyone, and your phone, like life, should just keep getting better.